Bandana Man. Today we're working on using tinfoil as an expedient survival pot in case you have to purify water by boiling it. Right now what I've got is a fire in the background. You can see that. I've scraped coals to the front, and I rested some sticks down there to support a folded up tinfoil pot, which is starting to steam quite nicely. This is not as easy as it looks in keeping the water inside the pot because the edges are only about an inch high. Now what I did is kind of push down the center a little bit so that it holds the water more in a pot type shallow dish fashion. But anyways, if this was all you had and this is what you needed to do to get some pure water, you can do this. For more information on this, see the Woodsman's Journal online. Have a nice day, and until then, happy trails.